Hey friends, in this video, I'll show you how to get free online courses for all Singaporeans and PRs. By the end of this video, you'll have access to thousands of online courses to use in your career development or learn new skills if you want. If you're unsure, my name is JJ. I like to make videos about good lobangs and self-improvement for Singaporeans. If you're new here, I'll really appreciate if you can click the like button and subscribe to my channel. The reason why I'm making this video is because online courses have ridiculously changed my life for the better in terms of equipping me with new skills like podcasting, video editing, performance marketing, paid media management. It has given me so many opportunities to get freelance projects and even get better jobs in my career as well. And I really hope that this video would somehow give you the resources to learn new skills and perhaps implement in your own career. One of my favorite quotes about education is from this person called Naval Ravikant. He says that free education is abundant all over the internet. It's a desire to learn that's scarce. Hopefully from watching this video, you can use this free platform which actually costs a few $100s per month for other people outside Singapore. So I think that it's definitely a platform that we can use. The platform you're going to get a lot of online courses from is called LinkedIn Learning. Basically, this is a platform that the Singapore government has paid for all Singaporeans. If I'm not wrong, they have also paid for PRs as well. When I found this out, I felt like NLB Library was doing a terrible job at marketing this. So this is part of my process of helping them market to get free good resources for you guys. The first thing that you do is search LinkedIn Learning Library free on Google and click on the first result you see here, which is e-learning NLB mobile app. So you click on this. Moving down, you can just click on this. How do I log into LinkedIn Library for learning? And there's this website you see over here, eresources.nlb.gov.sg/elearn. So I'm going to click on this and I'll be redirected to another website. There's actually a step-by-step guide and FAQ. If you don't have an account, right, you need to create one. So you can say click here to retrieve your My Library username and or password if you've forgotten it. I can actually use my SingPass. Okay, I have my SingPass. I'll scan it, log in. It's asking me for my password. I'll just click it here accordingly, type in whatever password that I want. eresources.nlb.gov.sg/main/LinkedIn. Okay, begin my learning journey. Get started. Okay, library name card. Let me type in what I just had just now. The PIN number is actually my year of birth in a 4-digit format. Okay, what's my year of birth? Oh my gosh, it's in my username. It looks like successful. Okay, welcome to LinkedIn Learning. Before we get started, tell us a bit yourself. Sounds good. So there are very generic topics like leadership stuff, talk business topics, which in my opinion isn't really helpful. I think what you want to use this platform is to gain hard skills. How do you edit videos like this? How do you create a podcast? Everything that you can learn is available in this platform, which I think is crazy. Oh yes, databases is something that I want to definitely learn. Database development. Okay, maybe I'm wanting to learn too much stuff. Typography is something I want to learn. Brand design is something I want to learn. Okay, continue. Wow, it asked me to set a weekly goal. I'm very intimidated. Maybe later. Maybe later. Okay, I'm all set. We are actually on this platform already. All the courses are broken down into business, creative, and technology. And oh my gosh, there's so many things to learn. My recommendation would be to use the online courses which are the most recent. But that's not to say that some of the courses are not good. Most of these courses are extremely long, like over 22 hours. I'm quite confident to say if you take this course, right, you will have a very good fundamental into understanding how to use particular programs, which I think is the most powerful. This is actually how I first started with video editing. Recently, I really wanted to learn how to develop my own website. Maybe I can go to my website just to do a little bit of advertising, right? So this is a very simple website that I developed as well, and it's something that I really got from LinkedIn Learning itself. I usually watch my videos at 2x speed because I just want to go through the content as quickly as possible. So there's a lot of small features that allows you to do that, which I think is really great. You can play at 2x speed. You can also enable captions, which I think it's fantastic, and I think it's definitely much better if you have online subtitles when watching these videos. One downside of it is that you need to be accountable to yourself when picking up these courses because you need to act on what they say. You can learn a lot, but at the end of the day, if you don't take action, it doesn't really matter. So I would recommend having your own project to apply the skills that you learn from these courses to really make it worthwhile. That's it for this video. I hope it has been helpful. Use these online courses for free and upgrade your skills and career. At the end of the day, I think with my conversation with many of my friends, we want, let's say, that dream job, we want that pay raise. Essentially, we want more money and more control of our lives, right? I definitely think that we can do that via upgrading our skills as well in a very tangible manner to show that you are getting new skills, which is why you deserve that next promotion, that next pay raise, or the next career development wherever you're interested to grow in. Hope this video has been helpful. Please help me click that like button and I'll really appreciate it. Please click subscribe as well. I hope to create videos on a more consistent basis. If there's any good lobangs that you feel you want to share with others as well, right, please leave it down in the comment section below and I'll literally make a video for that. See you in the next video.